guys, this is May again and welcome to my little crib here on YouTube. Since I plan to go to the tailor today because I have a pants which I bought from the thrift store the other day and I thought it was too baggy, big for me guys. So I decided to have it tailored and make it like a culottes because culottes is like the kind of style I want nowadays. So yeah, we head to the tailor today and after that we also gone to the cafeteria to have our brunch. And because we have time to spare, so we decided to go to the Japan Surplus guys because I know there are so many interesting, unique stuff that you can find in Japan Surplus guys. And it was my first time to go to the Japan Surplus today and I will take you with me there guys and just keep on watching! In the tailoring shop, but apologies I forgot the name of the shop, but I remember it's in front of Montessori Elementary School, Panabo City. Super nice and kind ni Kuya. I paid him 40 pesos to have my pants altered. After the brunch, we head to Japan Surplus Warehouse. I'm in the shop already and oh my gosh guys, I'm so shocked and amazed for all the good stuff they have in there. And this clock caught me. It's so pretty. It's still working guys, as you can see. I love the details and the gold color on it. It's really perfect for home decor. If you're like that stuff guys, like home decor, aesthetic vibes, vintage, this place is a good place to go and visit. And they have so many choices, as you can see. I love that one too. Even though there's no clock in there, but still it's good for decoration. And that one is so cute too. I like the wooden accent on it. And this one as well, it's so pretty. I love it so much. It's really perfect guys. And aside from that, they have so many choices in there if you want to visit. I don't know, but I'm into home decor nowadays and I'm attracted to aesthetic glasses. Anything like glass guys with design on it, I'm into it. And as you can see, that glass has flower details on it. It's so cute. And who would not want that guys? I love it so much. And aside from that, they have so many choices. They have ceramic plates, antique pots, antique mugs, and everything stuff like that. If you are into that kind of stuff guys, Japan Surplus is really great to visit. And yeah, thrifting is really good thing guys because as I always said in my previous videos, thrifting is like treasure hunting. You could find so many goodies and gems out there. And yeah, this one is so cute too. I love the cute heart on the mug itself. Who would not want that guys? Isn't it cute? And this one too, oh my gosh, it's a small mug with cute flower details. It looks like vintage. Oh my gosh, I like it so much. I'm sorry if I keep saying I like it so much, it's so pretty, it's so cute, but there's nothing I couldn't say something like that guys. I'm obsessed and I'm amazed with this kind of stuff. I don't know why, but this is what I like nowadays. I'm sorry guys. Just stay tuned until the end of the video, guys, because I will show you what I got from this shop. And I also want to share with you the pants that I altered today. And yeah, just keep on watching, guys. And as I tour you in this Japan Surplus warehouse, they have so many stuff like this one, guys. This one is so pretty. It's like a marble design. I don't know what it's for, but it looks like a vase or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I love the detail on it, like the color pattern. It really looks like a marble. Or do you agree with me, guys? But for me, it is. This one too, I don't know, guys, but mugs I love so much. I actually recently bought a mug just for me to use, like coffee and everything. I like mugs, and with design and aesthetic details on it, it really attracts me so much. Like this one, oh, it's vintage. Yeah, it says Dolce Collection. I'm not familiar with the brand, but isn't it cute? It's me, your girl, guys, trying to portray a tea, pouring it on a mug or a cup. This is so much fun. The place is really big, guys, and as you can see, they have guitars, wardrobes, so many beautiful wardrobes that you could choose from. And aside from that, many more plates, mugs, shoes down there that you can select, or find many goodies. But I don't need any more shoes at all, so I didn't get one. And I think the most dominant things that they have are like plates, mugs, pots, and yeah, you can visit their store. The name of the shop is Abing Caruso's Japan Surplus Wholesale and Retail. You can find many branches on their shop here in Panabo City, guys. You can check them out if you're from Panabo City. I'm glad you reached until the end of this video, but now I'm here at home and I want to share with you what I got from the Japan Surplus warehouse today. Actually, I wasn't even planning to go to the Japan Surplus since your girl loved thrift shopping, and in Japan Surplus warehouse, I really want to go and see what I can find there. And indeed, I find so many good things, but suddenly I only got one piece for myself, and I want to share it with you what I got, guys. And I also want to share to you the pants that I altered today in the tailor shop, and I like the result, guys. So here it is. First, I want to share with you this pants na altered kanina. And here it is. This is the pants I'm talking about, guys. See? It's so cute, and I really love the color. And it has two pockets, both sides. Ayan. See? Actually, this one is super long, and because I want it like a culottes, because that's my style now. And here it is. Ayan. Napa-alter ko na siya kanina, and don't worry, guys, I want to make a thrift haul the next video na i-upload ko, and I want to show to you what it looks like. It's like a try-on portion for you guys, and I only got this for 35 pesos, guys. See, it's really a great deal. You can have a good quality pants. You can never go wrong in thrift shopping, guys, because it's like treasure hunting. Yeah, I super love this because you can pair this with anything like oversized t-shirt. The most pretty thing that you could pair in this culottes is like crop top, like what I'm wearing right now. This one. Ayan. 'Di ba? This one is perfect. Ayan. I love this so much. And actually, when I have it tailored, I have already a culottes pants. And then I asked the tailor to, like measure the same size on this one. So this is what I got now. This is now the culottes pants na pina-tailor ko. Ayan. So, let's move on to the piece that I got from the Japan surplus, guys. I only got one and I super duper love it, guys. Napaka-cute niya. And alam nyo naman, you all know that I love plants. And pots is the most amazing thing that you can find in the thrift shop. And I find one and this is it, guys. Ayan. This is super cute. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, see this little tweety there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like an egg. Like a half egg crack or something. Ayan. I think this one is ceramic because in the inside, it's very, guys, what do you call that? Plain. Like that, and then glossy. And it has hole. See? It's really perfect for plants. Ayan, napaka-cute. And I only got this for 20 pesos. For this little cute one. Oh my gosh. Who would not want this, guys? And I got this from the Japan surplus. I love it so much. And yeah, this is all I got from the Japan surplus today. And thank you so much for watching until the end of this video, guys. I'm really grateful to have you in my channel, and I hope you don't forget to like, and also if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos in the future. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!